You cannot do the same old thing day in, day out and expect different results. You need to change your approach to things with the same plan to achieve the result you want this year. Now, don't live in past experience. Everything cannot and will not work the same way it worked before. Be willing to adapt to change through the leading of the Holy Spirit. When Jesus was on earth, he never performed every miracle the same. Some he held by their hand and said, rise up and walk. Some he called by name, Lazarus. Some he said, get up, roll your mat and go home. While some through their faith touched the tip of his garment and were made whole. So every miracle wasn't performed the same way. That's why you need to adapt to change. Everything will not and cannot work the same way it worked before. Listen, time is flying. Time is not running. Time is flying. So do what you came to do here before it's too late. This world is crumbling and it's not waiting for you. Prophecies in the Bible is coming to pass. Do what you came to do here and stop waiting. Now, stop waiting for validation from men before you start your journey. Because no matter what you do, people will still talk and they will never even like you. So if you are waiting for validation from men before you start your journey, you'll wait forever. You already have what it takes to succeed on this planet. Now, if your approach to things last year never achieved the result you thought you could achieve, change it this year. But work hard with the same vision to achieve the result you want. Procrastination is a deadly COVID-19 virus that suffocates you to death. But you see, many people think that making money is a goal on this planet. So they spend their whole lives chasing money. May I tell you this? Money is not your goal and has never been your goal. Now listen to this. Money is one of the major benefits of your goal. When God made man in the Garden of Eden, the goal was not to get money. He didn't say, let us make man so that they can make money. In fact, money never existed at the time. But you may ask, what then is the goal? Purpose. Purpose is your goal. But your purpose is only found in God. In the book of Romans, chapter 8, verse 28, it says this, and all things work together for good to them that love God and to them who are called according to his purpose. So purpose is the goal. Purpose is the point now. Purpose gives birth to money. Money is the benefit of your purpose. And your goal this year is to succeed in the area of your endeavor. Forgetting your purpose is like forgetting your life. Because your purpose is your life. Your purpose is the reason why you exist. You can work to sustain your family to make few dollars, but don't forget that you are here for a reason. And this year, you should live to achieve the result. And this year should be a different year and a turning point in your life for achieving some of those things you came on earth to achieve. Now, here is my slogan for 2026. 2026, we move. Kick up this year with a brand new start. If you believe we move 2026, I want you to type this in the comment section. 2026, we move. It's a prophetic word. Thank you for watching this video and listening to me. God bless you. Shalom. Peace be unto you.